In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Binance Launchpad in 2025. Let's take a closer look at Binance Launchpad. Essentially, it's Binance's token launch platform, where new and innovative crypto projects raise funds. As a participant, you have the opportunity to invest BNB, which is Binance Coin, to purchase new project tokens at their initial launch price. This is an attractive opportunity because tokens often leave the launchpad priced lower, potentially increasing in value once trading begins on the Binance exchange. Now, let's dive right into the step-by-step guide. First, it's important to hold BNB in your spot wallet. This is a requirement because it's the currency used to participate in the launchpad. Think of it this way: the more BNB you hold, the larger your potential token allocation could be. This means that having a robust amount of BNB in your spot wallet ensures you have a stake in the upcoming project. Next, you'll want to regularly check for upcoming launches. You can easily do this by navigating to the Binance app and tapping on Launchpad, which is tucked under the Earn section. If you prefer using the web, just head over to the Binance Launchpad page. From there, dive into the project details, thoroughly read the white paper, note the launch timeline, and understand the allocation rules. This research is crucial to making informed decisions about your participation. Once you're up to speed on what's upcoming, you'll enter the BNB holding period, also known as the snapshot phase. During this phase, Binance takes a daily snapshot of your BNB balance over a defined period, usually spanning from 7 to 10 days. Your average BNB holdings during this period will determine your maximum commitment ability. So, maintaining your BNB balance is key. After completing the snapshot phase, you move on to the subscription period. At this stage, you are allowed to commit your BNB to the Launchpad project. Simply enter the amount you want to lock in, keeping it within your maximum allocation. Remember that any BNB you commit will be locked until the distribution is finalized. Next comes the token distribution phase. Here, Binance calculates allocations proportionally based on your committed amount. It's a straightforward equation. Your allocation is determined by the ratio of your committed BNB compared to the total BNB committed across all participants, multiplied by the total tokens offered. Consequently, you'll receive your newly minted project tokens, and any unused BNB will be returned to you. Finally, once the distribution is complete, trading begins on Binance. It's at this stage that many traders decide to sell quickly, aiming to secure early profits. Others might choose to hold on to their tokens, betting on long-term gains. Whether you plan to sell or hold, make sure you have a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. And that's the full rundown on getting started with Binance Launchpad in 2025. Be diligent, stay informed, and use this guide to make the most out of your crypto investments. Happy trading!